Imagine being able to escape death. Not in a game, not in a sci-fi movie, but in the depths of our oceans. There's a creature so tiny, yet it holds a power greater than any superhero. Today, we're taking you on an incredible journey through science and nature to discover what is the animal that never dies, and why do scientists believe it might be the key to eternal life. What you're about to hear may completely change how you see life itself. What is this creature? Its scientific name is Turritopsis dohrnii, a species of jellyfish. It may look simple, transparent, small, no bigger than a fingernail. But it carries a mind-blowing secret that earned it the nickname, the immortal jellyfish. A moment to reflect. Here's a question for you. If you had immortality like this creature, would you live adventurously or peacefully? Would you spend eternity exploring? Or would boredom consume you? Let us know in the comments. This question is deeper than it seems. The secret behind its immortality. Most living beings go through a single life cycle. 1 birth, 2 growth, 3 aging, 4 death. But this jellyfish, when it faces danger, like starvation, injury, or old age, it returns to its earliest life stage, as if it's born again. This process is scientifically known as transdifferentiation. It's extremely rare. It doesn't happen in humans or most animals. What does this transformation mean? Imagine you're 70 years old. Then suddenly, you return to being 1 day old. Not just in appearance, but every one of your cells becomes embryonic again. It's not magic. It's biology, at its most bizarre. How does this transformation work? In moments of danger, the jellyfish collapses into a jelly-like blob. Then, it rebuilds itself completely from scratch. Scientists compare it to tearing down a house, turning the bricks back into raw clay. Then using those same materials to build a brand new home. It doesn't just become young again. It returns to a stage where it can't even reproduce. Then it grows up, and the cycle repeats, again and again. A scientific question. Could humans have something similar? Scientists at Kyoto University and across Europe have begun studying the genes responsible for this transformation. And the surprise? These genes are very similar to some found in humans. But in our bodies, they're mostly inactive or barely used. Could science unlock them? Could science one day activate these genes? Could we reprogram our cells to live longer, or even reverse aging? Research that could change the future. In the field of biomedicine, researchers are experimenting with reprogramming human cells. Some scientists are working on stem cells to regenerate damaged tissue. So, could we one day benefit from this jellyfish's ability? Imagine a future hospital that restores your youth, using cells inspired by the immortal jellyfish. But wait, is it really immortal? Let's ask the real question. Does this jellyfish truly never die? Scientifically speaking, theoretically, yes, it can live forever. But in reality, it can still die from disease, injury, or being eaten. Yet, if placed in a perfect, threat-free environment, it won't age. It won't die of old age. It just continues. Incredible comparisons. Are there any rivals in the animal kingdom? Yes, some creatures have superpowers of their own. The tardigrade survives radiation, freezing, and even the vacuum of space. The octopus shows remarkable intelligence and camouflage. The starfish can regenerate entire limbs. But none of them possess biological immortality. Only this jellyfish holds the true secret of time. A simple yet deep thought. If you could live forever, Would you stay the same? Or change? Is immortality a gift, or a curse? What's the meaning of life, without an end? A philosophical question, perhaps stranger than the creature itself. The end, or the beginning? Now, after all this, do you see life the same way? A tiny jellyfish, deep in the ocean, might hold the secret to changing the future of medicine, aging, and even our understanding of death. The animal kingdom is full of secrets, and each creature hides something that might just amaze us. Engage with us. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit like, share it with your science-loving friends, and subscribe to our channel for upcoming episodes. Teaser for the next episode. We're preparing an incredible episode about an animal that can change its color, shape, and even personality. Can you guess what it is? Write your guess in the comments, and we'll see you very soon, God willing.